Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. Find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to find block numbers. Let's simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Let's tap on block, and as you can see here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. If you cannot find this block numbers option here, just tap on this. Here you will have then 3 dots icon, and tap on it and you will find this option. You can unblock the number the same way, but let me leave it like this because we will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now let's go back, and now it does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in this general list we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see this is the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous option works. Here we can also add a number manually. Just tap on this option, add number, and then we can enter the phone number and tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the list, which means of course that you will no longer receive incoming calls or text messages from this number too. You can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher at the top. You can turn it off the same way. If you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.